Well guys, welcome back. Today's going to be a busy day. Some things I want to do is I want to get this bumper off. I want to get the battery moved. I want to fix the transmission loop line kit. I'll probably do that a little bit better once the battery's out. I'd like to fix up the air breather box. I'd like to get this bumper off, get another bumper ready. I'd like to get steel behind the struts, which I don't think it's going to do too much on this because how far it's away. And I would like to tack weld this piece onto my cage right there, and I'd like to build a holder for the gas tank. I'm just gonna tack weld it in, and then I'd also like to wire up my gas tank. That is my goals today for this. Maybe get some back tires on this, maybe pinch off these two lines to the back. Get rid of that. Looks like all brand new brakes on the back of this. I can't believe I couldn't sell a single part off this. But yeah, so I have a big list of stuff that I would like to do today, and we'll see how far we'll get. So I guess first things first. Let's start underneath the hood. Battery moved, transmission lines dealt with because that has a crack in it. Airbox we're going to take a look at. I'm not 100% sure if we're going to do what we want to it yet. What I'd like to do is just cut this out and then mount it right to this. So then that way it gets rid of a lot of the chances that it could go all bad. But we're going to start doing this, so let's get going.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need it.
So we got quite a bit done. I've been having some problems with the whip on this. Now it's not even wanting to do anything. I think the tip is way too far back, so I might just cut the front of it. I don't know. Having problems with that. Those headers look nasty. It was really cool because how sharp and spiky they were. I was able just to slam the hood, and they pretty much made their own holes. We got a hole for the airbox, a hole for the headers. Excuse me. I got the fuel lines, battery cable done. We got the air intake done. I did it a little differently than I did the last one. That one there, I took a piece off a Nissan Murano that was in my driveway. It was ripped, so I just taped it. Made it shorter. I didn't want to cut the original one just in case this didn't work. I could put the original one back on. We moved a little bit of electrical, not a whole lot. We're just going to put some spray foam around that one so that way it kind of softens the blow of anything. You know, I got lots of spray foam up there. We're just going to fill up full of spray foam. So headers are on, hood latch is off, bumper's off. We ended up cutting off these little things here. They were to hold the bottom of the radiator. They were just going to come into the motor. I think that was maybe something that took the timing belt out of the other one. We just built this quick little tank holder for the gas tank. As you guys can see, my welds are looking like junk. I think that welder's... I bought a cheap Amazon whip for it, and I'm not overly happy. But we just kind of tacked this on here. We can cut it off easily and put a different one on. We quickly welded this. Like, that welder's not getting any penetration. And then I set a fuel line on fire, so I'm not happy about that. Brand new fuel lines just caught on fire. So what we're going to do now is we got to put a battery up here. We got to ratchet strap the battery in. We got to tie down the gas tank. I want to zip tie up all the fuel lines. I want to change a couple of the fuel lines now because of the crap that just happened over here with the burning. Yeah, like, I don't want to take that. It's on the pressure one too, right? Of course it's on the pressure one. Maybe I'll just cut it out, put a little thing into it. It's upsetting, you know? It's like super upsetting. And like, that's brand new fuel line. Like, the other one is still right here in the wrapper and I haven't even taken it out. Like, that's upsetting is what it is, but it's my own fault. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tie down this gas tank and then we're going to get the battery in there. I did fix that. We did, oh, that's what I love about this Subaru. We did block off the 2 rear fuel lines so we can take off all the rear brakes. Tripping over stuff here. So let's get all the rear brakes off of it, I guess, and then we'll start doing other things. Wait, why aren't you shutting? There we go. Let's get the rear brakes off. So, since we're taking the rear brakes off, we took out the rear shafts. How I do the rear shafts is I cut it close to here, and then I undo the axle nut, take it out, put it in my vise, and I cut it while it's in the vise, and then I reinstall it. I do leave the center shaft. I've heard people tell me that it blows the back out of your transmission, but I didn't have a problem last year, and I'm going to leave it this year. I'm going to leave it. So we got only front wheel drive now. We are allowed all-wheel drive, but honestly, it's kind of like this big loophole, and I think it would cause problems, so I'm just going to make it 2-wheel drive. Plus, I think 4-wheel drive would just be some issues in the back if it gets all crumpled in. So, let's bring it down, and maybe the gas tank's cooled down enough that we can strap it in. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting plates on the end of this frame so we can mount our bumper. The reason we're putting plates is to spread out the weight so we get good welds on top, sides, and bottoms. And then we got to fix a couple things, like this door bar Eddie put in. You got to take that back out, put that back in. Got to do a whole bunch of fuel line work, some electrical work, finish bolting the cage together, swap some fuel lines, put some tires on the front. But I'm going to leave the choice of bumper up to you guys. So here's our choice of bumpers. It's getting a little slim. That is a skin. These are rebars. That's an 80s GM, 77 New Yorker. Please don't suggest a 77 New Yorker. We got ourselves a 77 rear New Yorker. Comes in pretty good shape. Actually, it's pretty rotted, believe it or not. That's like a Crown Vic, I believe. Can't really tell. Very small GM. 80s GM. I think I'm going to either use this one because it's rusty, or you know what, this one's been sitting here for quite some time. If those don't line up with where it's got to be welded, maybe I'll use that one. So what do you guys think between that one and this one? Leave your comments. This one's pretty rotty too. It's filled with pine cones. Probably a squirrel in there somewhere.
My mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough
Okay, so 44 inches. Let's see what we have at 44 inches. What do you guys think? I think they're closer than 44 inches. 34. So that one's not going to work. I think it's this one. I think it's this one.
Get it? I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
So we got the bumper welded on. Finally, some good welds. And what we're gonna do is, it sticks out way too damn far. I just got these rims mounted up because I do need rims and tires for it. I don't have the original tires that came off these. So these are actually Sunfire 16s. So 15s I have don't fit it. So what we gotta do is we just gotta cut the bumper now, right about here. So that way, it's just too big. Way too big. So we're just going to cut it back so that way it doesn't get hung up on stuff and it might be better. So let's get the sawzall out and we'll start cutting. Come on, Steven, you can do it.
Jesus Christ.
I maybe have the steering wheel, the seat a little far ahead, but feel the quality of that leather.
Oh wait.
Yeah, hold on.
You shutting the camera off?
No, the horn is off. But we have the bumper weld on there. We have the ends welded up to the ends. The bumper cut off at the ends. We have the loop line kit on there. We have pretty much everything. Steven's asked me what the oil leak is, and I told him it's a Subaru. It's fine. Seems to understand. We got all this straightened out. We got the battery mounted. We got the fuel tank mounted. We got the fuel lines ran. Steven, start her up.
Oh, look at this though.
What's this?
8 grand, 240K an hour, buddy.
Oh, buddy, she's redlining. Just gonna hook up the fuel pump there. Give her a little rev. She's pretty quiet for having open headers. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop. Take care, everyone.